Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Welcome to this series of videos in which we are showing you how you can um, automate your actual cost and automate the cost analysis that is KOC4, KOC4 T code. And uh, we have done this with a click of button. It takes you to this stage. If you see, go back to your sheet. You double click on it, so it will immediately take you to this screen, right? And this is 1088. Yeah, 1001088, and it has the total of 82,432. And if you can see it here, 1088, 1001088 and 82,432. So the breakup, it takes you to the breakup, right? This is the breakup, right? Now, let's do one more interesting thing, and that is, first of all, let's uh, start recording. Say if this is, for example, let's make it at 6. Okay, so a new script is being written for whatever the things which we do now will be recorded. Okay, and then we will put them in our code. Okay, so the next thing we do is we double click on it. And when we double click on it, it comes on such a screen. And then we single click on FI documents. In the FI documents, we have three FI documents. One, material ledger, there is a controlling document, and the third is the accounting document. So let's go to the material ledger because we are drilling down into the material consumption. So let's go to the material ledger. So these are the materials. These are the materials with these quantities, with these values in US dollar, right? In and out are mentioned in here. So this is what we have got, the bottom detail of a value, right? So this is going to show you the material which have been used against every production order. Okay, so this is the point where we stop the recording. Let's get back to this, and we say, okay, thank you, thanks for recording. Now we can go and see what was the recording. This was the recording, and let's pick this code. Hmm? Let's edit. So this is the one. So we copy this one into here, Control C, and we go back to our code here, and we go to the view code in here. In the view code, so this was our code which we have written, okay? And we will do one more thing in here, is that Control V in here, okay? So this is, I think there's no harm if we extend this to here. So so this is where this should take us directly to the material consumption bottom lines. Means the full breakups with the material, individual material involved in the production order. Okay, these are shown. Okay, so let's see that how does it work. So we might have to close it. Okay, we let's record another thing, and we see that how do we close it. So play, we record another thing here, say 7. When we record, when we close, so how many uh, keystrokes have to be taken? These are going to be recorded. Okay, so first thing is that we go out from it, then a message comes, that's it, and then we close this thing, fine, and then we close back like this, and this is where it stops, right? Okay, so this is where we we can stop, or we can do a bit more also. Okay, say yes to it so that you are exit from the screen, then say yes to it, this as well. Say yes to this. Yeah, yes, exit this, and it takes you back to your starting point. Okay, so here we stop the recording. uh yeah, we stop the recording in here, and we see what are the key code, what are the scripting, SAPGUI scripting recorded in here. So we edit this file, and in here, these are the common things which we are supposed to incorporate in our code. Add as a start whenever we have a new thing to do. Okay, so we close this as well, and we get back to our code. And whenever there is a double click, so this is the thing which have to be done. And we will, yeah, so these are the things, right? This is, and we can start this in here. That's it. Okay. Okay, so this is where it is doing that. Okay, so what we are doing is that whenever a double click happens, it starts this on error resume next. Means if these are relevant, then these will be executed. Otherwise, these will be skipped, right? And then it will take the code uh, into the SAP and execute the KOC4. My T code is KOC4, and it will be executed. So this is what we have designed. Let's see if our assumption is right and if there is something to be adjusted. So let's double click on it. This is 10089, 157,000. Okay, 126. Let's double click on it. So it is now taking you to the KOC4, and it is taking you to the drill down. It is diving down into this, and it is taking the FI document, and it has reached to the material report document. So this is a complete document, a material ledger document, which shows the individual material involved in this production order. Okay, let's do it, leaving this as is. Let's get back to our report that is in the compare, and we use say 1096. So what would happen if we do this? And you see that it is now closing out, getting back to our starting point, and going to run the KOC4 selection, and then it will take you to the material, the breakup of the material document ledger detail, yeah, showing all the materials. So display the material document is in process, and that's it. So it has come up with the material ledger update of this one. So these are what the materials involved in the selected production order. Okay. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.